everybody, it's Patricia. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys watched my last Chatty Get Ready with me, then you know I went ahead and on the day after Christmas, I ordered the regular size Lucky Bag. And this will be my fourth Lucky Bag that will be getting. So I decided to go back and see what I got in last year's Lucky Bag, the 2021 bag, and pull the products out and just do a little review, a little mini review of what I got last year. So let's get started. Now I'm going to go ahead and start with the first item, which I no longer own. I got the Tom Ford Quad in Visionaire. Beautiful, beautiful eyeshadows. They sell for $88. First, personally, I wouldn't pay $88 for them. I used them a few times and I didn't care for the eyeshadows. They just weren't my favorite. And the colors were just blah. They were nothing special for me to keep. They were browns with a pop of pink, and it was a light pink. I've got that in so many of my palettes. So I decided to declutter it. If you saw my eyeshadow declutter, you saw it there. And I've already sold it on my Macari. Personally, I won't be purchasing any Tom Ford Quads. I hope I don't get another one in a Lucky Bag, but if I do, I will. But yeah, that's already gone out of my collection. The other thing which I didn't bring out is I got a Jade face roller. It's nice. I mean, you know, not a lot to say about that, so I didn't bring it out. Okay, now let's get into everything else I got. First, the Oribe Gold Lust All Over Hair, Body, and Face Oil. If you can tell, I forgot I had this. I took it out of the box. I put it with all my other things, my hair things, and have not pulled it out. I haven't used this at all. I am bound and determined to use this. So I think I'm going to use it in my hair. I think that's where I'm going to use it. I'm not going to use it on my face. I don't like any kind of oily product on my face. It just drives me crazy. So, or on my hands. I mean, I'll have to wash it off my hands. So, hair. I'll use it in my hair. Next, I got this cleanser from Holly Frog, the Shasta AHA Refining Acid Wash. I wanted the powder cleanser, but I got this. And mine's a little dirty from sitting in the bathroom. I do use this. This is not my main cleanser. I use this maybe once a week. This stuff stinks. It smells so bad. It smelled bad from day one. It's not that it's turned. It just, I can't stand the smell of it. But I do like what it does. It brightens. It helps to remove the dark circle, or not circles, the dark patches on your skin. It is good if you can get past the smell. And I can only do that about once a week. And I've used over half of it. I'm down here, but it's hard for me. I'll use it up. But I would not repurchase that only because of the smell. The product itself is fantastic. If they could find a way to mask that smell, that's a good product. Okay, next, I got this Good Molecules Discoloration Correcting Serum. I am just about out of this. I use this every day. It won't be long, and I'm going to be out of this. I love this. This works great. This is helps with hyperpigmentation. It's hard to say. So yeah, I use this every morning on my face. I love that. Next, I got this Orion Dry Shampoo Mist. I have used it. This is not my favorite. This wet, it's a liquid. For a dry shampoo, I want the like spray powdery kind. I have to get a little used to this. I have used it a couple times. It's okay. I wouldn't purchase another bottle just because I prefer a different formulation for my dry shampoo. Next, this is a little dirty. I got my Givenchy powder. This I love. I have opened it and used it. I use it occasionally. I use it sparingly. It works fantastic. I love this powder. I don't want to love this powder. I haven't priced it. I don't want to love it, but I do really, really love this powder. So I'm not planning on purchasing another one. If I was to get another one in like a lucky bag or something, that would be fantastic. But personally, I'm not going to purchase a powder that much, but I do like it. Next, I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. I do like this. Whoops. I like this. There's some shades in here I don't really use, but I like it. I'm going to keep it in my collection, and maybe for a Halloween look or something, I have some other shades. I know they're not... Let me just get this out. Orion has got like a blue tint, but it's not like blue on your face. And here's one that has like a little bit of a green tint. See, they're not in your face crazy. They're wearable. But there we go. I'm gonna keep that, and I like that. Next, I got this Wayne Goss lip liner in Natural Berry. I have been using this a lot. I'm actually wearing it today. There's the color. The only thing I have negative to say about this pencil is it's a little hard. I like my pencils just a little bit creamier where they don't tug. This one tugs a little bit. It's getting better. I think more use, it's getting better, but other than that, it's a great pencil. Will I buy more Wayne Goss liners? Maybe. I'm not against it. They're fine. And then last, my favorite thing I got in last year's box that I use every day that I put on makeup is my Sonia G Smooth Buffer brush. I use this to apply my foundation. I love this brush. It is so soft. It is so nice. So yeah, it's the Sonia G Smooth Buffer. I hope to get another brush in my next lucky bag, but I'm wanting an eyeshadow brush. This will be my 4th lucky bag, and I have 3 face brushes, which I'm not complaining because usually people get the eyeshadow brushes and the face brushes cost more. But I've gotten 2 Wayne Goss face brushes and a Sonia G. I would love to get eyeshadow brush. But anyway, that's it. That's everything I got in last year's lucky bag and what I think of it. I can't believe I forgot I had this. So I'm going to set that out, not put it back where it was, set it out so I can remember to use it. And like I said, I really like this. I'm almost out of that one. So guys, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, I'll see you next time.